In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people and get more members on Discord. If you manage a gaming community, study group, fan server, or any other type of Discord community, knowing how to invite new members is one of the easiest ways to help your server grow. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can start inviting people and expanding your community in just a few minutes. To begin, open Discord and sign in to your account. You can use the desktop application, the web version, or the mobile app. The general process is very similar across all platforms, so you can follow along regardless of which device you're using. Once you're signed in, make sure you're using the correct Discord account, especially if you manage more than one server. Next, open the server where you want to invite new members. This is important because Discord generates an invitation specifically for the server you're currently viewing. After opening the correct server, look toward the upper left corner of the window and click the server name. This opens the server options menu, where you'll find several management features. From the menu, select Invite to Server. Discord will then display the invitation panel, giving you multiple ways to bring new members into your community. One option is to invite people directly from your Discord friends list. If you already have friends who would enjoy your server, simply browse the list, choose the people you want to invite, and send the invitation directly through Discord. The second option is to copy your server's invitation link. Click the copy button, and Discord will save the invite link to your clipboard. You can then paste this link wherever you'd like to share it. For example, you can send it through private messages, include it in an email, or post it on social media platforms where your audience is active. Sharing your invitation consistently is one of the most effective ways to grow your Discord server. You can include the invite link in your content, place it in your profile or bio, add it to video descriptions, or share it with people who are genuinely interested in the topic your community focuses on. The more relevant places you share it, the more opportunities you'll have to attract new members. When sharing your invitation, keep your message simple and informative. Let people know what your server is about, what they can expect after joining, and why it's worth becoming part of your community. A clear invitation combined with a helpful description can encourage more people to click the link and join. That's all there is to it. You now know how to invite people to your Discord server and share your invite link to help grow your community quickly and effectively. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,